you want to make a good YouTube video, but you're not sure how, it's hard to know what will work and what won't work for the videos. Is the video too short, too long, too boring, or just plain bad?
And I had everything on videotape. Good, bad, and ugly.
Well, we got an answer for you. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 tips how to write a good YouTube script, and you can implement those tips for your next YouTube video. Hi there, I'm Yogesh. Welcome to my channel, Utilize Your Business. I also run a blog with the same name, Utilize Your Business, and it's all about affiliate marketing. I started out as a complete beginner, so I know how daunting can it be to start in this industry. With the help of my videos and blog, where I teach you how to be successful as an affiliate marketer, and by following those steps, you could become affiliate marketer, especially if you are a beginner. So if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, or if you are a beginner affiliate marketer,
make sure to like and subscribe.
Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the bell to get notified for all the new videos we do come out every week. Now let's go back to the video, how to write a good YouTube script. Let's go. Writing a YouTube script is hard. It's essential to have exciting headline for your YouTube videos, but having a short and sweet script can be challenging without sacrificing a quality content.
You're the most challenging person I have ever met.
These 5 tips that I'm going to share in this video will help you write a good YouTube script, which will be engaging for the viewers and most likelihood will help your view times and have viewers engage throughout the video, and they will end up watching the video all the way to the end. Before I go ahead and share with you these 5 tips, let me ask you, are you struggling to write a good YouTube script? Let me know in the comment, yes or no. So now let's look at the 5 tips for writing a good YouTube script. The first one is, as I already mentioned, is writing a catchy headline for your YouTube videos. So your headline is the first thing that viewers look at it. So make sure it's catchy and exciting so that viewers will click on it and watch your videos.
I know, pretty good, huh?
The second tip is most of the point that you're trying to convey through the video, it should be short and sweet so that viewers are not bored, and when they click on your video, they get exactly what they're looking for.
Mark, you realize I'm bored. I'm dangerously bored.
Short, concise, and to the point. The third tip is make sure your script is interesting. Your viewers will get bored if your script is too dry or dull.
Really?
Really?
Make sure that if your video is all about technical aspect, so try to inject some personality into the video, or try to make it a little bit more funnier, or you could add in the short videos to make it more interesting and keep viewers engaging. The fourth tips is make sure you inject your personality into the videos. Whatever else you're interested in, try to engage, put that in the video. For example, if you like sports, or if you're a fan of something, or for that matter, if you're into the gaming, whatever it is, you can try to add that into your videos to make it more interesting and give it your personal touch to the videos, so that viewers, the viewers who are watching it, some of them might be interested in what your hobbies are, what your other interests are, other than making YouTube videos. Fifth and the last tip is make visuals. The fifth tip is include visuals into your videos. Make sure to include visual that will help to engage the viewers while you in your YouTube videos. Most likely you can have a screenshot, or if you're doing a product review, you can have a talk about the product review and a screen with a tiny screen of yourself on the side. You've seen that most of it if you look at my product review videos that I do that, I'll put more screenshot and all that to help people visualize what you're talking about it.
Understand.
So there you have it. So these are the 5 tips that I try to include when I'm writing a YouTube script. Now, wait a second, don't leave the video yet. What I'm going to show you is at the first, like I said, when I started it, I did struggle a lot to write YouTube videos. And if you look at a couple of my first video, what I did is I just went in front of the camera and, whatever came to my mind, I started talking about it and doing videos. But
That's disgusting.
lately, I have been incorporating all these tips that I shared with this video with the help of a tool called Jasper. Now, some of them you're thinking, is that a new tool? No, it's not. Formerly known as Jarvis, but now they just changed the name to Jasper. So let me head over and I'll show you how easy it is to incorporate these 5 tips and get a killer YouTube video script in just 5 minutes. All right, so why don't we head over into Jasper and start making a YouTube video. All right, so let me show you how I get the YouTube script done in less than 5 minutes. This is the dashboard for Jasper, formerly known as Jarvis. So if you look at the templates, they have a lot of templates, and under videos they have the template for YouTube. So you can go in each of these templates and input some of the data, and the output will be what you can use it for YouTube scripts. But usually use is siphon their boss mode. I use the recipes to help me write amazing YouTube scripts. So let me show you. There are a lot of different recipes on blog, review blogs, and all that. What I do is I write the video script on the YouTube. So the first thing we do is write a brief content about topic. So any topic that you're thinking about making it. So let's see, we'll talk about the topic that I want to talk about in my next YouTube video is Nitro Pack versus WP Rocket. Now they also have shortcuts of how you can use the script. What you do is Control, Shift, and Enter, and it's going to start right about write a brief content about Nitro Pack here. So Nitro Pack is a catching plugin, and what you do is copy this and put it right here where it says that, and then your key is right. Okay, the tone, how you wanted it. So most of my videos I wanted to sound like as if I'm talking to the people. I'm having a friendly conversation to the people and have them engage. But you could have a lot of different tones if you wanted. You could have it sound like a professional, witty, funny, whatever you think. You can just try a different tone and see which one sounds better for however you set it up your YouTube channel and your personal traits. So that's the first thing you want to do. And then the next one is this. So write a 5 compelling titles based on the above content brief. So I do Control, Shift, Enter. So these are the title. Remember, the first tip was your title headlines has to be exciting, catchable. Okay, Nitro Pack versus WP Rocket, which plugin is faster, more reliable, affordable, user-friendly? Now these are all things that as a WordPress website owner, that's what I wanted. If you want a faster site, you want a more reliable, whatever you wanted, you can do it. So I like the first one, which one's faster, because people wanted to use Rocket or Nitro Pack to make their website more faster. So that's about it. So I put that as H1 and I delete all that, right? And then I delete all of this, and now I start making my script. So the first thing of the script is after your catching headline is your intro. The first thing you want to do is you want to make it more interesting. You want to hook people so that they will be watching your video, right? So the first thing we do is write a PAS, what is program, educate, and solution for the above. And again, all I do is Control, Shift, enter. By the way, I'm using a PC, not Mac, so Mac there is a different command for this. Again, just to a side note is anything that Jasper come out, which is technical aspect of it, you should double check it, or you try to rephrase it, or do that yourself. So don't, now you could do your own testing and fill that in, so don't take by word, but the point is how easily is to write a YouTube script, right? So again, we just have to do a little bit of search here and see whatever it comes out. Is it correct? Or we can do a test on our own website, right? So after that, you have a call to action. After that, you have intro on your blog post, right? Not a blog post, about the video. So all right, so sometimes you just have to edit it and redo the thing, but overall the script that's coming out is pretty good. Nitro, right? So we can right up to here. We want to write down the outline. So here is the outline, you have it. So what you can do is you can make that H2 and go through here, go through the each outline, and then what you're going to do is right. So NitroPack is a free plugin, and then you just want to write a little bit of information about the previous. So what you can do is right here, there's a command 3 stars. So this one, what it is let Jasper not to look at what's written on the top, right? So we do that, and then you can keep on going with that, right? And then what you're going to do is write a conclusion paragraph for okay, control on this, and then you can also make some changes to it. So let's see. All right, so right here, so NitroPack Rock is a free plugin. Nitro, download it. So again, don't take this thing on the face. Just double check it and to think that whatever the Jasper is coming out, is this correct or not. On the other hand, WP Rocket has probably 3 million downloads. The NitroPack's quality may be due to its lower points offer, which is free, or better performance number, which makes faster. Some of these will show NitroPack. If you're looking for version sacrifice free, then NitroPack, right? So it has the call of action right there. So, and then you can, what else you can do is, again, if you're looking at my videos, I always has a strong invitation to join for next video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Right there, it's talking about people who are interested, who are watching this video specifically are from the WordPress or website owners. They want to know more about the other plugins or want to know more about the present Ornito Pack, inviting them to watch my other videos, or for that matter, if they're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. So that's about it. So this is the outline. I used it, and I basically spent about roughly 10 minutes or so, having the outline, and then spend about another 5 to 10 minutes on editing it and polishing it up to have the nice good a killer YouTube script for the next YouTube videos. Now, believe me, before this, I used to spend days and days, and I used to have a lot of, I will honestly say, hard time of coming up with the engaging killer YouTube script, which will have viewers such as yourself engage on it. I'm still improving day by day, but this is what I'm doing it for my last few videos, and the results been awesome. All right, guys. So there you have it. A well-written YouTube video script is essential to make your video look professional. Make sure once you've written the YouTube script that you go over the script, and if there's any grammar or typo or anything you want to change it to make it more to suit your personality, do that. And after that, go ahead and start making a YouTube video and coming out with these awesome YouTube videos for your channel. So if you are looking to improve your YouTube video script, why don't you start using Jasper like I am using for my YouTube video. Jasper is a powerful AI assistant which will help you to write script for your YouTube videos. It's not only that, it has a lot of other templates which can help you write blogs and anything else. And most importantly, you can try it free. That's right. So they do have free trial. I'll put the link in the description. Click on the link, try it for free, and see how awesome it is. And make sure you try it at the boss mode. That's where you'll see the awesomeness of this AI software. So those of you who are still watching this video, awesome. That means you are interested in what I have to say, and I'd love to have you as a subscriber if you're not a subscriber to this channel. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to get notified for all the new videos that we do come up most every week. And once you're subscribed, make sure to look at our old videos on affiliate marketing and all those good stuff about product review and how it can help you with your affiliate marketing business. Till the next video, see you.